In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in PDF Exchange Editor. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside the program, you want to go to the top and you want to click on Protect. And then from here, you want to click on Sign Document or Place Signature. So it doesn't matter. I'm going to click on Place Signature here. And then I'm going to draw the signature where I want to have it. For example, over here like this. And for me, it's already showing something. Just ignore this because for you, it may not be showing anything. And whenever you're happy with your size, just go ahead and release your mouse button and it's gonna pop you into this menu. Now from here you may already see a few of them like me over here, and then you can go to add digital ID up top, and this is how you can basically add a signature. And then if you have an existing digital ID, you can go ahead and click on here and basically import it from a file. But if you don't, you can just create a new one. So if you want to do that, you can click on here and then you can put in your name. So for example, if I do instant and then how to, like this, there we go. And then here you can put your organization unit and name, and then the email address, which is a necessity. So if I just do like this, there we go. Okay, and then here you have to select your country, your key algorithm, and then your basically use digital ID for, and then you basically have to type in what you're going to be using that for. So for like signatures, for data encryption, and for both. So that's completely up to you. I'm going to leave it as for both. And then here you can select the store. You can just leave this like it is, click on OK, and it's going to get added here to the list. Once this is here on the list, you can just simply click on it, and then here, as you can see, you can of course select kind of the sign template by clicking manage over here. There's going to be a bunch of different ones, but I do like this default one, so I'm just going to use this one. Click on OK, and then from here you want to click on OK again, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to prompt you to actually save that specific PDF, which I'm going to do right now, and I'm actually going to rename it. So I'm just going to type in signed 123 and then PDF, and if I save this, as you can see, there we go. This is now the new PDF that's been opened, and basically my signature is over here, and when I click on it, it says it's valid. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.